Now, before we get into building the other pages here, the forms for the user manager and all that, let's go back over to pages, and we need to correct something down. Well, first here on index.php here on our new page link on line 10, we need to put the page name there. So index, in fact, we can actually get rid of index altogether. Let's just do question mark page equals pages. And we need to make sure we do this anywhere where we're loading or reloading this page. So again, on our form, after the question mark, we need to do page equals pages, and then we still need that ID, so we need to do an ampersand. So let's save that, and I'm pretty sure that's all. Nope, there's another one up here on line 25 for our list of pages. We need to do that here too in the href property. So after the question mark, page equals pages, and then ampersand. So let's save that. Let's go to pages. Let's just test this. Let's load about us. And look, typo. It's supposed to be pages. Make sure I did that everywhere. Yep. Okay, so save that. Let's try that again. Okay, now we're good. So, since we already have this kind of template for how our admin pages are going to look, let's go ahead and we're going to work on the users manager. And let's go ahead and just copy everything we have here from the div on line 4 all the way down to the bottom. Copy that and go over to users.php, and after the heading, we'll paste that. And we're going to first, let's change those links. So anywhere where it says pages or page equals pages, we need to change that to users. And then again down here on the form. Okay, so let's first address our list here. So instead of new page, we need to do new user. And we don't really have a blurb, but you know, maybe at some point we might want to write maybe a little bio about a user or something like that. So let's just go ahead and comment out the blurb for now. And we're going to go ahead and just remove line 26. And then on line 26, we're going to do two sets of comments. We're going to do an HTML comment. And just to be safe, we'll go ahead and comment out the echo with a double slash. So now we need to change our query. So we do select all from pages order by title. So now we want users. And we want to order by, let's do last name. So last. And what we're going to do though is we're going to take advantage of that users function we created. So let's go ahead and let's clean some of this up. Let's close pages.php, settings, dashboard, setup, navigation, and index. And let's go into our functions folder. Make sure you're in the admin. Let's open up data.php. And we'll go ahead and use our data_user function. Well, first, let's do something for consistency here. Where it says page_list, we could change this to user_list, but I want to kind of keep a consistent format. And how we did down here with opened for this array, that's such a generic term that we can really use this, you know, for anywhere in the admin that's similar to this. So let's do the same kind of thing here. Anytime we're going to build a list, let's just call that list. and save that. And just really quick, just to make sure we keep things consistent, let's hop back over to the pages view. And let's change this to list. And then anywhere we're using that, let's go ahead and make sure we change that. So page list ID, page list ID, page list title, and we should be good. So save that, and then we can close that again. Okay, so now, well, let's do it again here too. So copy this, page list ID, page list ID, page list title, which we're going to be changing. And then we're going to actually reassign list in this while loop. Sounds kind of funny. But so let's do list equals, and we're going to do data underscore user. We're going to do dbc, and then we're going to send it the ID, which again, this is going to look a little funny. So we need to do list ID, close that. So what this is doing is it's going to take list and get us that ID we need. But then we're going to go ahead and reassign list to be our user array so that we have things like our full name and full name reverse, which reverse is what we're going to use this time. So now we have those options available to us with this list here. So let's take a look at the pieces and parts we have here. So the selected here, this can stay the same. ID equals, that can stay the same. However, for our title, let's go ahead and change this to full name reverse, since we're sorting things by the username. So let's go ahead and save this, and let's take a look at what we've done. Let's click on users, and there we go. We've got a list of our users sorted by their last name. And if we click on one, the active state works. Now, of course, we need to change our form here.